Hi there! We're going to add some tickets to your event. Do you have one entrance fee for all distances and categories? Create one ticket and ask people for a distance or category via a custom field later on. Do you want to add different distances or categories, each with a different rate? Then create a ticket per discipline. Go to your event and click on Add Ticket in the Tickets tab. Enter a name and standard rate. You can create different promotional rates at a later time. We are now going to work out the ticket further. If desired, you can add a description and image to the ticket. This is visible in the form. You can add additional information to the automated confirmation email, for example, where one can collect the starting ticket. The next step is to work out rates. On the Rates subpage, you indicate in which period the product can be purchased. By clicking on the Add Rate button, you create different rates for this ticket. Maybe you want to charge a lower rate for people over 65 or members. To create early bird promotions, you can better use our discounts module, which I explain in the discounts video. If you want to calculate tax on the ticket, add a VAT number. The ledger number is useful if you want to be able to specify this ticket in your accounting. This way you know the profit per ticket or product. In the Groups tab, you indicate whether it concerns an individual ticket or a group ticket. If you choose a group ticket, enter the number of people who will get access to your event with this ticket. The Teams part is useful if you want to allow or force people to create or join a team. On the Restrictions tab, you can enter a maximum capacity of the ticket. You can also protect a ticket with the invitation code. Great when organizing an event for a select group. Finally, you can divide a ticket with time slots. You can spread participants well in this way. During registration, the participant chooses a time slot. Atleta monitors capacity. Click on the Save Ticket button and switch it to Live. Click on View Checkout at the top right. Your ticket has been created. You can now create another ticket or add products. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.